NEC Section 110.26 FONIA mandates a dedicated electrical space for panel boards, requiring a clear area equal to the width and depth of the equipment. This provision ensures that there is unobstructed access for safe operation and maintenance of the panel board. In contrast, NEC Section 110.26 A3 permits equipment to extend up to 6 inches beyond the front of the electrical equipment. This allowance provides flexibility in installation, allowing equipment to be mounted flush with the wall or protruding slightly. Considering these two sections, NEC Section 110.26 FONIA is more stringent than Section 110.26 A3 specifically for panel boards. Section 110.26 FONIA's requirement for a dedicated electrical space means that the area directly below the panel board must remain clear. This prohibits the placement of any other equipment or obstructions in that space. The intent is to ensure that electricians and other qualified personnel have unrestricted access to the panel board for troubleshooting, repairs, and routine maintenance. Section 110.26 A3 provides general guidelines for the working space around electrical equipment and allows for a degree of encroachment. However, this allowance does not supersede the dedicated space requirements of 110.26 FONIA for panel boards. Therefore, even though equipment may generally extend up to 6 inches, this does not apply to the dedicated space beneath panel boards. The dedicated electrical space requirement aims to enhance safety by providing a clear and unobstructed work area. This allows technicians to perform their tasks efficiently and reduces the risk of accidents or injuries. Ensuring compliance with NEC Section 110.26 FONIA is crucial for maintaining a safe and reliable electrical system.